Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your recharge history in LSSC. In order to do it, first of all, you need to open your web browser in your mobile device or in your PC, and here in the search bar, you need to search for lightsha.com. Now, once you are at LSSC's official website, you need to just log in into your account by providing your email address and your password. Now, once this step is done, the interface of LSSC app will look something like this. Over here, you need to tap on the three lines in the top left hand corner of the screen, and then you need to tap on the recharge option. So after tapping on recharge option, in the top right hand corner you will see record option. So if you tap on record, over here on this page you will see all of your recharge history. So it will show you whether the transaction is in pending, processed, completed. So it will also show you the history and the status of your payments, so you can view it from here. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.